This is Sophia, and this is her 2022 Ferrari F8.
And you're watching WHLWRKS.
Hi guys, we're with Sophia and her 2022 Ferrari F8. Sophia, give me some of the details about the car. Do you know how much horsepower it has?
I think it has 1,000 horsepower. It's pretty fast.
Now, we're upgrading the wheels from these factory Ferrari wheels. What do you think they're gonna look like?
As long as they're better than these hideous stock wheels, I think they'll be good.
Oh, some people are gonna be mad. Bespoke designs will look really good on this F8. I can't wait to see it.
I'm excited.
There you go. Now we are gonna put Michelin tires, good rubber, good wheels. After you get your wheels, where's the first place you're gonna go right after this?
Probably Starbucks.
I think it's go to the gym. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's put these wheels on.
All right, Anthony.
Where's Sophia? So we can have
Where's Sophia?
Where is Sophia, guys? We have no idea where Sophia is. I think she despawned to the nearest Starbucks.
This thing is beautiful, bro.
Yeah, I mean, it's a Ferrari F8. There's nothing bad to say about the car, except sometimes, you know, the wheels, you may not like it. In this case, they're not too happy with the stock, so we're giving them a better look.
It's
you know?
simple as that.
I'm a big fan of doing I love doing
like the minimalist things,
work,
yeah,
like minimalist things.
Like wheels,
maybe
tires.
a little spoiler, wheels, tires, tints.
Lower it.
You know, maybe if you want to do like a chrome delete, a little bit of lowering, but that's it. You know, maybe most times you do like a catback or something, you know, you go down pipes. But these cars, you know, you don't want to do too much, you know. This is not your B58 with the JB4 tune, you know. We're not doing burble tunes here.
Ferrari with a burble?
2022 F8, 3.9 liter. I'm assuming it's a V8.
3.9 liter, bro. My truck's got a bigger engine.
Yeah, but this one's, it's turbo.
A 3.9 liter Ferrari V8 pushing 720 horsepower with 770 Newton meters of torque. I mean, I don't know what the weight is on this car, but
this weighs like
0 to 60?
12 and a half pounds right here.
2.9 seconds, 0 to 60.
So it's lighter than Anthony is what
It's
you're saying.
definitely lighter than Anthony.
His 0 to 60 is like...
Especially after a week in Vegas. I mean, if we do Anthony after a week in Vegas, you know, that Toca Madera, it adds up, you know, all those dinners, they add up.
Right,
you know, Anthony
right.
might run 0 to 60. And
He's like a diesel.
he might be a high 6-second kind of vibe. You know?
6
Anthony, what's your quarter mile time?
I don't know. But anyways, but look, that's a 305.
That's a 305. We're doing a 325.
So for those people that do not know, running a 325 tire compared to the 305 means you have an extra 20 millimeters of grip when it comes to width, basically. That is gonna basically give you more grip on the road, more stability, more traction. It helps put that power down to the ground, guys.
The factory should be 11, and the aftermarket was chose MV Forge are 21 by 12.
Overall, 21's in the back. This is gonna look absolutely mental. I can't wait to see it. It's gonna be black on black. Basically gonna be a stealth build. I mean, gonna look crazy.
That is gonna look amazing.
Yeah.
Now, Anthony, what's your opinion on these stock Ferrari wheels?
I think they look great, but the MV Forge, they look better.
Look, I can't blame someone if they own a Ferrari and they want to keep the stock wheels. I mean, bro, you just paid almost $500,000. You want to get every penny's worth, and these wheels are beautiful, but switching them out for some MV Forge, not a bad idea, bro.
Right move. And hypothetically, I mean, he has new wheels, new tires, right? If he wants to go back to stock, it's an easy transition. Just go back and forth, right?
15 minutes.
And that's why I always tell everybody, the easiest thing to mod your car is wheels and tires.
So guys, we've done a lot of F8s, but guys, we want to do an SF90 next. So if you or anyone you guys know has an SF90, please submit to WHLWRKS, submit on the form, on the description down below. Send us a DM on Instagram, be like, hey, I got an SF90, my buddy's got an SF90. We would love to do a WHLWRKS episode with an SF90. That is, for me, one of my dream Ferraris, and I'm a Lamborghini person, honestly.
All right, so we're gonna show Sophia and Guy their wheels. This is the first time they've seen it. They haven't actually seen their wheel. They've only seen it like online, but we're gonna show them because we're actually finishing up the machining. We want to show them that process too. So we're gonna show the process of the whole thing of machining, drilling, shaving, the whole thing, and also they can see the first look of their wheels. This is our CNC machines. We drill wheels all day long. Okay, so that's your wheel. That's the 21 by 12. See how there's literally no holes in the wheel? So we're rushing this set right now. So they're like, they stopped those other machines just to get yours done.
So it comes blank, so we can custom fit it to any car.
And guys, it's got a little bit of a matte finish.
Yeah, it's got the satin black. I love it.
Really nice.
Sophia, nice choice.
Amazing, yeah.
Oh yeah. Bam, wheel acquired, all drilled and ready to go. Lifting up the Ferrari. Gonna get that wheel off and put the new one on. I think it's gonna be a really big upgrade from the satin gunmetal color that Ferrari's got going on to the satin black, just because it's gonna really complete the stealth look of this F8. It's gonna be a really nice combination. Out with the old, just like that. Take a look at these huge rotors, bro. And these are the back rotors. Smaller than the front. Carbon ceramic brakes, absolutely beautiful. Do a quick little test fit on the MB Forged.
Perfect.
I am so excited for this to turn out.
You saw that, how much more the calipers pop when
Exactly,
you put that
bro,
on there.
now it's yellow on black instead of yellow on gray.
So it just
there's a lot more
pops.
contrast. Guy, what do you think?
Amazing.
It's gonna look great.
Can't wait to see it too.
You're gonna be rolling down the PCH, breaking necks over here. All right, we got the machine de-beating the original tire from the wheel so we can take off the old TPMS sensor. Got the MV Forged.
Looks so good.
Dude, I'm in love with the Satin Black.
I think the Satin Black is a great choice over gloss black.
Putting that TPMS sensor in there right there. And of course, the next step, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. We got that tread, making sure no one's spinning tires, bro. Gonna get instant grip. Tire lube, so it goes on easy. Just slides on like that. Tire is on, dude. Now we're gonna throw it over here to the balancing machine, where we're gonna balance it until the computer says that we are perfectly in balance, so that when we're driving on the road, no vibrations, no weird any feelings, nothing like that. And this is exactly what it does. It spins the wheel, puts the road force down to simulate road conditions, and then our computer tells us exactly how much weight we're gonna need, and the laser down there shows us exactly where to put it. Now we're gonna rebalance. Just make sure that we got it covered. And bam, wheel is good to go. We are all balanced, ready to be mounted onto the F8 right over there. And so Rick, we went from original, it had a 20-inch wheel in the back. We are going up to
21 in the back, guys.
But we are keeping 20 in the front. It's gonna look a lot better.
Okay, guys, that 1 inch of difference actually makes a very big difference. You know, some people will know what I'm talking about.
Exactly,
right? So,
exactly.
no, seriously, guys,
It's
though.
very important.
20 and 21 in the back.
Jose is gonna bring it to the ground. Damn, that is clean. And then once that suspension settles and the car lowers back to its original height, it's gonna look incredible.
Dude, that looks way better than the factory. Look on that side how weak it looks.
Oh my god.
Look how weak that side looks.
Yeah.
This looks so weak. Bro.
Oh.
That looks like it missed leg day now.
That
It
is
missed
day and night
leg
difference.
day.
That is day and night difference.
Yeah, bro, come on.
Crazy
Fucking
difference
nuts,
in
bro.
inch does, right? Looks a lot more expensive too. And the brake caliper shows
Yeah, it pops
a lot more. Alrighty guys, so that was the first of 4. Jose's gonna go ahead, do the other 3, and we'll get right back to you guys once they're all on the car in just a few minutes. Gio, best Ferrari.
Shoot. Okay, I'm
SF90.
actually torn. The SF90 is beautiful, but I'm not gonna lie, the F8 is probably my favorite, if not.
The Enzo Ferrari.
Look, no, I'm actually not a big Enzo guy, but if I had unlimited money, an F40. I would need to do the F40. Dude. That's a given, but I mean, modern Ferraris, this is pretty much the pinnacle in my eye. I think this is beautiful. And guys, actually something really weird I thought I'd never say. These Ferrari wheels, the stock ones, do actually look tiny and weak, bro. When I've seen the other wheels now, it's like a no-brainer.
Yeah. I mean, look at that difference.
It's so crazy to me,
The
bro.
camera doesn't pick it up as well as you pick it up in person, but that 1 inch, guys, all jokes aside, it makes a massive difference on a car like this, especially when it's not a massive vehicle itself. It's like going from a size 9, you know, ballerina shoe to a size 13 Jordan, you know?
Lifting up the front wheel, getting ready to change this out. Easy.
That is a massive rotor.
Front wheel is on. A complete game changer on this car. Last wheel, gonna jack up the car, get this 21 on in the back. Rick, we got the last wheel going on right here. Damn. What do you think?
Amazing, beautiful.
Looks really, really good. Anthony,
Yeah.
We got all 4 wheels on, bro. What is your opinion?
Fuck, I don't know. It looks amazing, man. I mean, naturally, just how much deeper the concave is and the wheel sits flush now. So the caliper pops on a lot more because it's a yellow with all black. So that caliper just pops so much more. I mean, look at it. You can look at it for yourself. Those big 6-piston calipers look really nice now. I think Sophia's gonna like it too.
Just getting the final torque down on these wheels, making sure they're on there perfect. And tire shine is the finishing touch. Make this car look showroom ready, just like it rolled off the lot. Okay, the Ferrari is done. Sophia, what are your thoughts?
I think it looks amazing. Thank you, MV Forge and Audio City USA. I love it.
In my opinion, look, Ferrari can only get so much better, but MV Forge wheels, this is the way to go. The satin black on the metallic black Ferrari. So I guess now you gotta go to Starbucks.
I will, on my way. Thank you.
Looks so much better, guys. If you guys are into this type of content, make sure to subscribe, drop a comment, guys. Follow our Instagram as well as MV Forge because they are a huge help to this episode. And if you guys like this Ferrari, then make sure to drop a like. And now the moment you've all been waiting for.